From powerful log loaders to precision milling machines, these technologies are revolutionizing the way we work in forestry. Let's dive in and see what makes these machines stand out. Welcome to World Tech. Today, we're exploring the most advanced forestry machines on the market, cutting-edge equipment that's shaping the future of wood processing. First up is the John Deere 948L, one of the most advanced log loaders available today. Recently developed, the John Deere 948L excels at hauling large logs with high efficiency. Equipped with advanced technology, it optimizes the transportation process and minimizes environmental impact. Next is the Husqvarna 572 XP, a powerful and modern chainsaw. Launched recently, the Husqvarna 572 XP delivers high cutting performance with its robust engine and advanced technology that reduces vibration and enhances durability. It's an ideal choice for precision cutting tasks. The Timberwolf TWPX is a state-of-the-art sawmill that efficiently processes logs into lumber. Recently introduced, the TWPX features automated sawing technology and smart controls that speed up the wood processing and ensure high-quality output. The Rotini H8 is an advanced bark stripper that quickly and efficiently removes the outer bark from logs. Developed recently, the Rotini H8 incorporates advanced technology to enhance bark removal and minimize waste during the wood processing stage. finally, we have TigerCat, known for its range of powerful and versatile forestry machines. Recent innovations from TigerCat include advanced harvesters and forwarders designed for heavy-duty operations. With their robust build and cutting-edge technology, TigerCat machines are engineered to handle the most demanding forestry tasks efficiently. Thank you for watching our introduction to these 5 cutting-edge forestry machines. We hope you gained valuable insights into the modern equipment transforming the forestry industry. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming videos. See you next time.